Dear viewers, today we will discuss how to construct an angle mean using protractor. First of all, draw a ray OA of any length. We will draw any ray. Ray mean one end side and one infinite side. Now place the protractor at that point and midpoint should touch the mark point O. O mean midpoint. Now mark the point as B on the top circular part of a protractor according to the preferred angle, for example 40 degree. Draw a straight line joining those 2 points O and B. Mark the degree of the angle made where 2 sides of the straight line intersect. This is the example. Mean when we construct the 40 degree angle, we draw a ray. This is a ray. Then we set the protractor and we draw the another ray on 40 degree. This is called 40 degree angle.